Hey friends, if you encounter the error, your device is offline, please sign in with the last password used on this device. Then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. Now, the solution to this is in the problem itself, but let me explain something. These days, we have an option of using Windows Hello on our computers, which means that we can log in using a 4-digit PIN, which is very easy to remember. Okay, and if that PIN fails, we can always use other identification methods. So here's the thing. If you are not connected to the internet and you changed your single sign-on password from another system, how will your system recognize it? It won't. So you will have to use the older password, and if you have forgotten that older password and you have not linked a pin or a fingerprint or anything, then the only option you have is to connect your system to the internet and then try to reset the password. There's nothing else that you can do about it. So I suggest you to connect your system to the internet and make sure that the internet is working fine, and then you can change the password. I mean, use the new password. And if the new password doesn't work either, then you can obviously change it online. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.